Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we'll discuss about the Java code structures. So Java uses three code structure, which is class, another is package, another is modules. So we'll see what is class. So actually class is basic unit of code and it describes the data and logic of your program. So you have a Java program and anything you write in Java program is written inside a class. So we saw that we had my app, right? So all these are written in class. So how can we understand what is a class? So we write functions, we write methods. Let's say we want to get salary, we want to add salary, we want to find the amount left in the account. So all this are associated to a customer, right? So we'll make a customer class. So we'll say like public class customer, and then inside this customer we'll have all these functionalities. So we'll have bank account number, then we have, if we want to add, like if the customer has added some money, so we'll say we'll have a function say add money. So whatever amount he has added, it will be added to the amount which he actually had in the bank account. So we can have class as customer, right? So anything, any Java program that we write, the basic unit of that code is class. So inside the class you have different functions, you have different methods, then you have different variables that store the different data. So you have customer name, customer address, customer pin code, customer account balance, and so on and so forth. And there are few other methods which can edit all these things. But all these are wrapped under a class, right? So the basic unit of Java unit is class, and it describes the data and the logic of the program. The second thing is package. So package is actually collection of classes or one or more class. So let's say you have customer, right? And then again you have few other classes. Let's say you have bank. Let's say there is a class called as bank branch. Okay, so there is a class called bank branch, and this bank branch class is again a code of Java. Will have the pin code of that branch, the location of that branch, the number of account that branch have, and so on. Then other than that, we can have also like class fixed deposit. Okay, so there might be a lot of fixed deposit associated with a lot of different customers. So we use these branch and fixed deposit class into our customer class. So what we are doing is there are different classes, and we require these different classes to be used in our program. So how do we use them? We use like a package. So we have certain package and we take that package and we use that in the class. So it's an intermediate logical code aggregation. So it's a logical code aggregation. Aggregation means we are combining few of the codes and then we are using that in our class, and it's a group of classes. And then we have modules. So module will be a group of package. So this module was started from Java 9 onwards. So what is module? Modules is actually the it's like collection of package. So you can then there will be a question that module have the module can also be called as the collection of classes, because package is a collection of classes. So module is a collection of packages. So we can say module is a collection of classes. That's true, but it has other different features that the package does not have. So it depends, like let's say I'm someone who is trying to access this customer class, but I will have certain access which is restricted to me. I cannot go ahead and able to access a lot of different things which is there for me. So these are what, like, we provide access to certain things. So let's say we have customer class, right? And we have a like a fixed deposit class. So this customer class can only access, let's say, the fixed deposit that is made by the customer only. So let's say there's a customer C1. So the customer class having C1 as a customer can only access the data or the code of this fixed deposit class which is related to C1, right? So we have actually implemented some access specifications to that particular thing. So here module is used. So it is high level physical code aggregation, and it is actually group of packages. So this is all about the Java code structure. So we have classes. So any piece of code, any piece of program that you write is actually a class. Inside that class, you define certain methods, certain data, certain variables, and then you take those and try to perform certain operations. So this is what is the Java code structure. Mostly our entire thing would be focused on classes, but as we'll move to the concept of OOPS, that is object oriented programming, we have to see what are packages. Module will be rarely used, but classes extensively used for Java programming. So anything that you write, it will be wrapped around inside a class. So this is all about Java code structures. Stay tuned and we'll meet in the next video.